Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to show you how earning $1,000 per day on YouTube without recording any movies. So this is how I am making $1,000. And you could make more or much less or the equal. It honestly depends on you. This is how I am doing it, so make sure to watch this video till stop due to the fact it is going to be a superb video. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, make certain to press that subscribe button due to the fact we try to launch everyday films on this channel on how to make money online with clean new strategies. So make certain to press that subscribe button, and in case you're relatively extreme, approximately beginning making cash online, make certain to test out my YouTube associate marketing path, where I am displaying you guys how I am making over $30,000 step by means of steps. So there is a lot of perhaps 3 hours of content there, so ensure to test that out if you are enormously interested in making a living online on YouTube. So men, let's bounce immediately into this video. So to start with, the first step is create your YouTube channel, because I noticed some humans asking me a way to create a YouTube channel. No longer quite a few people, however a small percentage, and that is for them. So just pass on Google and kind Gmail. Once you create Gmail, cross on YouTube and log in, and you'll have your YouTube channel that is definitely actually clean. I suppose everyone can know that. So step is sign up for Wave Video. So right here is the Wave Video. I have already logged in, so basically type on Google the video and sign up. It's going to be some, it's miles going to look like this, and it is also unfastened so that you do not want to pay for whatever you may purchase. Some enhancements, however, you do not really need them, and it is also, as I said, free software program. So move on video and join up. I am already signed on, so I am going to click on templates. So this is how we're going to create our YouTube videos. Here you can see you can pick out specific classes that you can find up films that you can use for your YouTube channel. So I am going to browse around here. You can see all of those videos are just templates, and what you need to do is you need to create a few form of your very own video with these templates, and I am going to show you how you may do it. So I am going to create, let's consider how to prepare dinner. Let's examine this video. So it is absolutely quality video. We need to create it as a YouTube video. Simply see how it seems like it is very expert. So basically that is just a template that we can use to add on our YouTube channel. And what you want to do is you need to create your personal version. So I'm going to expose you how you can do it. So we are going to click on edit templates, only a few seconds because it desires to load. So we are going to wait, and it's far accomplished. I suppose just a little bit more. So right here you can see this is our video. So I am going to reveal you an instance of the way you can do it. Let's examine here. You could see you can click on and edit this newsletter, whatever you need to. So basically what are we seeking to create is a way to create pasta. So I am going to say I'm going to put my call within the pinnacle as an example. This is for my YouTube channel which you are watching proper now. So that is simply an example. We're going to type here, we will truly depart in a way to cook pasta. So here you could see you can write right here. I'd say step 1. I don't even understand what is this. You could write something you want to. I don't certainly recognize what to write down, however permits give it a let's examine what. So we can I'll depart this in the interim, and we can write here step 2, and you could simply edit, but you want to step 1 you may place anything text you need to vague. I would not truly rely. We will say cook the sauce for 5 minutes. We are able to place shall we embrace 3 minutes and put you placed right here. Step 3 cook dinner pasta, and part of step 4. So I do not actually understand whatever about cooking. This is why I am not growing any content, because I for my part don't cook dinner, and this is the cause why I am not setting any textual content to this. However, that is simply an example so we are able to place right here step 5, and that's probably it. Subscribe. We are going to click on hyperlink in description for 4 greater recipes, and that is going to have you ever going to understand why I stated click the link in description for greater recipes whilst we cross a touch bit similarly into this video, and this is how we are going to make money. So simply before we begin to edit this video, just to make certain how this video looks like only a twad, so it appears so very expert, and here you can see this reel has a few watermark here, however it would not clearly remember. You can improve your account. You could pay it in $50 or something like that to take away this photograph mark, but this water money doesn't really count because the content material is honestly the king here. You need to position your records into these movies, and when you're performed with facts, they're going to do your viewers are going to be interested by facts now, not in some watermark that is within the corner. It doesn't without a doubt matter. As I said, you may see this watermark does not definitely count number, so this is our video that we are going to use on our YouTube channel. So essentially we have exceeded step 3 where I said create and fasten video and edit for your YouTube channel. So what you want to do now could be you need to download this video and you need to add it to your YouTube channel, and when you are finished with that, what you need to do is you want to sign up for ClickBank. So I'm going to provide an explanation for you men why I need to do that. Move on Google once more and type ClickBank comment. You are going to see a page like this. Once more, it's far unfastened loose website. This it's going to assist us make money. So what you want to do now is you need to signal up, click on create account, and also you need a few seconds to create account, input your personal data banking facts and in which they had been there going to ship you money. And what you want to do now could be you want to click on affiliate marketplace. So we're inside the niche. This is cooking. So what you need to do now is you need to go looking right here categories cooking. You could see cooking, food and wine, and you may see there are the pinnacle of classes right here, so that you can use for any niche available that you are inquisitive about. You could create for health, you could create for something you want to, so allows click on cooking meals each person. So right here you could see we're going to look for a few recipe book that we're going to promote on our YouTube channel. So simply to provide you guys an instance what is occurring right here, shall we say we sell, but shall we say this is some recipe book, and if we sell this recipe ebook on our YouTube channel, we are going to earn 100 of commission. So does to give you guys an example, this ebook possibly fees $14. There are a few fees for distribution of the book, so essentially that is a virtual book. You will make $13.30 if a person buys this book. So here you may see a whole lot of human beings, and you would be amazed quite a few humans would purchase this ebook due to the fact, again, a number of the people don't know how to cook. I personally do not know the way to prepare dinner, and while I'd look for something allows say how to make this pasta, I would possibly buy this ebook in which they may be going to educate me how I'm able to do it. So let's examine let's probability we are going to promote this product right here. So what you want to do now is we want to click on this link proper right here, and also you want to look how this web page looks as if. So right here you can see this page appears stunning, as you may see, and if someone buys this recipe book, it is clearly first rate website that I ought to say I certainly truly love it. So that you can see your patron goes to get 4 bonuses, so that you can see exceptional packages, and it's miles best for $10. And if someone buys this product, you are going to get on comment $21 due to the fact there are some upsells to this product. So if a person buys this product, they're going to provide them a few upsells, and you will make $21 on the front sale. But the maximum important component here is that this average your bill. So basically you could see it as $333. So essentially what this indicates is lots of people purchase this product and that they stay. Then they please a month-to-month membership to view this new recipes, or I do not even recognize what this product is about. So you can see this product is set 150 fats weight loss recipes I don't even realize. So you're going to make from one client in the event that they live lengthy sufficient on common you could see. They stay for a long term and you are going to earn $333 just from one customer. So if you have 3 customers like this, you'll make $1,000. So here you can see how effortlessly this may be completed. A variety of people are going to cancel it. Lots of human beings are going to stay. However, you could see what can happen if you have only 3 people and like this, and lots of people are going to mention you need minutes, tens of millions of viewers, hundreds of thousands and thousands of subscribers. However, I am doing this with I think 30 or 40 subscribers. I am making $1,000 per day, so you can do it too, guys. So as I said, this is a genuinely superb internet site, so we are going to promote this product. And when you join up for click link where you can input right here your account nickname that to procure when you sign up, so you can expect input your nickname here and click on create. This is just a random nickname. You may see this nickname doesn't exist, so after you are carried out with that, you are going to take that hyperlink, so that you are going to take that link. If you may see, find related to your area of interest. We have founded a product, and now you need to place the affiliate hyperlink inside the description of your YouTube video. So that is a motive why I stated that you'll placed right here at the end. Simply a second, you could see we've positioned right here. Click on the hyperlink in description for extra recipes, so when someone is watching this video and they like your video, they prefer your records, they're going to test that link in description, and if they purchase the product, you learn $21 on the smartphone instant, and over the time you may earn in line with client 333 greenbacks. I suppose that is truly exquisite, guys. So this is how you could do it without a whole lot of subscribers, without a variety of perspectives. This can be performed very easily, and I personally doing it, and I am sincerely glad approximately it, due to the fact I am supporting human beings on how to make something, how to do something, and they're accurate. I am earning profits from that. I think this is in reality outstanding, men. So that could be nearly it. So we have 2 streams of earnings. You may additionally monetize YouTube channel with AdSense, but that is no longer how we're going to make maximum of our cash. The maximum of our money is going to come from clipping, and I assume you want are something around 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in your YouTube channel. That isn't always virtually plenty, but you want that to truly monetize your YouTube channel. And while you monetize your YouTube channel with ads, with Essence, and you've a clickbank hyperlinks associate, means you are going to make 2 streams of profits, men. I think that is the maximum critical component, due to the fact you are going to make a small commercial enterprise from small YouTube channel that is making you some money, and that I suppose that is how I did it, and that I suppose this is truly an outstanding way to do it. The maximum essential part is step 8. So that is why plenty of people need to say you are crazy how you could make $1,000. That is how we will make $1,000. Attempt to put up constant to your YouTube channel. Attempt to submit at the least 3 instances in keeping with week you may put up each day in case you want to. That is a number of the YouTubers that you see are posting every day, because that is how they hold the views you need to perspectives you want to get information to get sales. So guys, so one can be at how making over $1,000 in keeping with day on YouTube with small YouTube channel. In case you are certainly extreme about starting how you on making money on YouTube, ensure to click on that link in description, in which you are going to look my YouTube course, in which I train